Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ilé-iṣẹ́ wa gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá ọdẹ ọdún bí ṣe dáadáa la bá lé eléyìí tí ó ń dé bá wa lákòókò ọ̀wọ̀ yìí eléyìí ó ní agbára. Ǹjẹ́ ẹ ti gbọ́ àwọn sójà àwọn sójà mẹ́rìndínlógún 16 àwọn ni ọwọ́ ti bà báyìí o. Àwọn sójà mẹ́rìndínlógún 16 soldiers àwọn ni ọwọ́ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bà báyìí o. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ni wọ́n ṣe? Lọ́wọ́ yìí pẹ̀lú ìròyìn tó ń dé bá wa, wọ́n ní pé ó ní àwọn ọ̀tá ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu tán wà nínú iṣẹ́ sójà tí wọ́n jáde tí ọwọ́ ìjọba ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mú báyìí látàrí bí wọ́n ṣe ń pílánì coup láti gba ìjọba láti lé bàbá Tinubu kúrò lórí ipò. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìròyìn náà ti ṣe lọ, wọ́n fi tó wa létí wípé ó ti pẹ́ tí àwọn aráabí yìí tí wọ́n ti ń pàdé àpòpọ̀ láti lé bàbá Tinubu kúrò ní orí ipò. Wọ́n fẹ́ lé wọn láti sọ gbogbo ẹ̀ di ìjọba àwọn sójà military regime. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìròyìn náà ti ṣe lọ, èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì ni wọ́n fi kọ. Ẹ máa bá mi kà lọ. Breaking: 16 military officers arrested over alleged coup plot against President Tinubu. Now, at least 16 senior military officers are currently in custody following the allegations of a coup plot to topple President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration. Sarah Reporters has revealed arrest and then official denial. According to the online publication, the officers ranging from the rank of captain to brigadier general were picked up from various locations across the country in a coordinated operation by the Defense Intelligence Agency (DIA) and then other security bodies. While the defense headquarters initially described the arrest as a part of a routine military exercise involving issues of indiscipline and breach of service regulations, sources within the military said the official explanation was a smokescreen to avoid panic. The 16 officers were planning a coup. According to the statement, the military authorities were just being diplomatic. In the statement released by the spokesperson, a senior DIA official was quoted as saying, and I quote, "They had begun holding secret meetings to overthrow the president and then announce a military government." Official statement. In its earlier release, the Director of Defense Information, Brigadier General Toko Guso, said the officers' detention followed internal investigations into misconduct and then disobedience. Investigations have revealed that their grievances stemmed largely from a perceived career stagnation caused by repeated failure in promotion examinations, among other issues. Guso stated some of the apprehended officers had been under jurisdiction for various offenses, either awaiting or undergoing trial. Their conduct was deemed incompatible with the standards of military sources, foiled plots, and then security concerns. However, insiders insisted that the arrests were linked to an attempted coup that was foiled after intelligence agencies intercepted communications and the meeting plans. A top source disclosed that The conspirators planned to execute the coup during the October 1st Independence Day parade targeting President Tinubu and then other senior officials in attendance. Yes, they were arrested for planning to stage a coup and take over government, the source confirmed. That was why the Independence Day parade marking the country's 65th anniversary was abruptly cancelled. Intelligence indicated they intended to strike during the event. The source further revealed that the National Security Advisor and the Service Chief advised the presidency to suspend the parade after credible intelligence showed that the conspirators and positioned armed men for the assault. They had positioned armed men for the assault. Meanwhile, Nigeria has a long and turbulent history with a military coup since independence in 1960. The country has witnessed 5 successful coups and several abortive ones, each leaving deep scars on its democratic evolution. The recent development has reignited public anxiety over growing discontent within the military ranks amid worsening economic hardship and security challenges across the country. Alright, ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, òun ni ẹ ti gbọ́ yìí o. Bí wọ́n ṣe fẹ́ gba ìjọba lọ́wọ́ bàbá Tinubu rẹ̀. No wonder ní ọjọ́ Independence Day tí wọ́n ní pé àwọn sójà pé wọ́n ní lè jáde kí wọ́n wá ṣe parade tí ọ̀gbẹ́ni kan jáde tó ní pé ìdí ni wípé àwọn sójà wọn ò róúnjẹ jẹ, ebi ń pa wọ́n, wọn ò dẹ̀ fẹ́ dákú lọ́jọ́ náà. Irọ́ tí wọ́n pa fún wa nìyí. Ṣùgbọ́n lọ́wọ́ yìí àṣírí gbogbo ẹ̀ ti wá tú jáde báyìí o. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn ni wọ́n ti sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ohun tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí. Bí àwọn kan ṣe ní pé kò bá dẹ̀ dá ọ ká ní pé ó ṣẹlẹ̀ nítorí pé ìyà yìí ti pọ̀ jù. Báwọn kan ṣe ń sọ ni àwọn kan ní pé láyé Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ kí irú ẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀. Ṣé mọ àwọn tí wọ́n fẹ́ gba ìjọba ni? Bí a lè mọ̀ bóyá àwọn bókobòko igan ni wọ́n fẹ́ gba ìjọba, àwọn tó ń pa wá ń pakúpa, àfi kí Elédùmarè máa ṣọ́ wa ni. Oòduà Nation ni ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ànírìn jù báyìí lọ lórí eléyìí. A ó máa bẹ ọ̀bẹ níbẹ̀ ṣọ́ àtẹ́lẹsẹ̀ abẹnà wò. Ẹni tó bá lámábọ́là ní débá kélédùà kó bùkún fún orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá. Ó dàbọ̀.